Hi, welcome back to Hobby Handyman. So in this video, I'm going to show you a lawn renovation that I'm doing. I had a walkway installed earlier this year, and you can see that a lot of the grass was killed along the side of the walkway when it was installed. They also put some drainage stone in by the corner, which you'll see in the next clip that I'm digging out. And then I'm going to reseed this whole thing, and we'll see how it comes out. I'll give you an update once it's all done. So when they put down the walkway, they had tarps laying out here to prevent a lot of the stone dust from getting into the dirt, but that ended up killing a lot of the grass and created a good chunk of thatch. So each piece here is about 2 inches thick. All right, so that's cleared out as much as I'm kind of gonna get it, but now I gotta level that out a little bit. It kind of slopes. It's a big hump, kind of right over here. So we're gonna smooth all that out. So this is about 2.5 weeks after seeding. I just mowed it. I pulled off some of the straw so it can breathe a little bit better. A little patchy over this way still, but overall this came out really well, and I'm really happy about it. Thank you very much for watching. I'm the Hobby Handyman, and I'll see you next time.